Melody and I have arrived at the Cagle Recreation Area in the Sam Houston National Forest in Texas. Let's go check it out. Cagle Recreation Area has been on my camping map for years. Melody and I finally made it. It's been on our camping map because they're supposed to have full hookup sites here in a National Forest campground. Let's go check out this campground. Campsites are $30, $20 if you have a Golden Age or Senior Access Pass. Here's some pertinent information on the Cagle Recreation Area. It says Cagle Recreation Area, located on Lake Conroe, has 2 camping loops with 47 full-service RV sites. Each site will accommodate vehicles up to 45 feet and offers drinking water, electricity, and solar. Cool beans, folks. They have 2 camping loops here at Cagle Recreation Area. I'm at the day use area, which is clear down on Lake Conroe. There's a large parking area. They have boat parking. There's a boat ramp right around the corner. I'm going to show you the boat ramp. There's a trailhead down here as well, and then we're going to check out those 2 camping loops. Let's get to it. Nice looking boat ramp and a floating dock here at Cagle Recreation Area. Boy, the lake looks great today. And a really nice facility it is. And right off of the parking lot, they have a trailhead. And it looks like the trail skirts Conroe Lake. I suppose it's Lake Conroe to be correct. Nice hiking trail, and it does skirt the lake. Let's go up and check out the 2 camping loops. So the boat ramp and parking area trailhead is in that direction. Lake Conroe is directly out in front. And I'm just starting one of the camping loops. There are flush toilets and showers in there. And if you watch our YouTube channel, you know I only show you the best campsites. Let's get to it. So a lot of these campsites have a grade to them. That's why I'm not showing you them. This is campsite 28. It's a keeper, folks. Campsite number 28. Well, I walked that entire loop, folks, and that was the only site that was big rig friendly where you could get your rig level without a bunch of work. This is typical. It's got a pretty good grade on it. You could maybe get your rig level on that site if you have auto level. I'll put this one down for an alternate for this first camping loop. That's site 47. It's an interior site. It's right across from a second shower house. Let's go take a look at the hookups. There's nobody in here right now. This is a full hookup site. Does have a grate on it. There's your solar and water. And you're going to have a 30-50 amp electric hookup. And if you didn't catch, you have a tent pad as well as a fire ring and a lantern post with this site. This is a look out at the site. It's a fairly deep site. Let me go out to the front again. There's another vantage point of site 47 going down the book for you as an alternate. I'm heading to the second camping loop right now. And this is nice. It looks like they have a paved walking trail that goes to the second camping loop. Okay, so I made it to the second camping loop. Again, I'm only showing you the best campsites. Let's get to it. And with this loop as well, at the beginning of the loop, you have a shower house and restroom facility. Again, with this loop, many of the sites you won't get your rig level. There is a slope to this site, but I do believe I could get my rig level in site number 4. Let's go take a look at the hookups. It's a nice wide site. There's your solar and water. 30-50 amp electric service. People must have just pulled out. The fire is still smoking. But there's your picnic table and a lamp post to the rear of the site. And here's another vantage point of site number 4, going down the book for you. Like I said, a lot of these sites, you have a very tough time getting your rig level. That site included a very steep site with a drop off to your picnic area. That's a no-go. But this site on the crown of the hill, you can get your rig level on that site. That's site number 9. It's right on the top of the hill where the camping loop turns. And this is a look back at site number 9. Nice looking site, folks. That will work for my fifth wheel. I hope it'll work for you. Site number 9 going down the book. And that's going to be another 50 amp full hookup site, site number 9. And progressing around the camping loop, this site does have a slant on it, but it is doable. I believe I could also get my rig level on that site, site 15 going down the book. Site number 19, you can get your rig level in that site. It looks like a double wide site. Site number 19 going down the book, also a 50 amp full hookup site. And there's another vantage point at site number 19. I'm standing on the walking trail that takes you between the 2 campgrounds. This is the rear of site 19, that last site I just showed you. Nice looking site. Site number 19, and the shower house is right across the road. Melody and I have spent over a month in the state of Texas. We were wowed by West Texas. If you haven't already seen our videos from Big Bend National Park, check out those videos. You'll be wowed too. From the Sam Houston National Forest and the Cagle Recreation Area, I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.